In this video, we're going to talk about why the deal is lost in the first 10 minutes. It's going to be a short video, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll introduce myself in just a little bit here. So the reason the deal is lost in the first 10 minutes is because trust is gained in a moment. It is not a gradual journey to trust. You might think it is, but at the end of the day, keep in mind when someone takes a call with you or schedules a meeting with you, if it's face to face, that's great. They're taking time out of their day to invest energy into a meeting. So typically there is a reason, right? They're investing the time to get a return in some way, and it's typically not because I want to spend time with someone who's really nice. When we're in a work environment, it could be in a dating environment, but not work environment. And so trust is gained pretty instantaneously, right? Whatever was said to get the meeting, if you're leveraging SDRs, those SDRs can be really good at what they do. So you have to be just as sharp when you get in the meeting. That's number one. Trust is gained instantaneously. We as humans, we do a lot with our senses, the supercomputer, which is up here, and we make decisions which have all the things to do with our survival and other things that we just do instinctively, right? So trust is gained pretty quickly. That's number one. Number two, trust either erodes or it builds. So you want to walk in and have done your homework. If you're not using AI right now and you are a B2B seller experienced and you're still kind of hunting and pecking around, gaining the information, and you're not leveraging AI, you are way behind the game. And I know most people are, but I will also tell you balance is key because you don't want all the industry specs and all the company specs and all the specs on the buyer. You actually want balance. You want to be able to be curious and instinctively curious while you come in with a basic understanding as well that you can communicate that demonstrates you've done your homework. Okay, the third one is most consultants definitely over-explain instead of framing value. You want to be sure that you're not over-explaining. You want to be sure that you stay strategic and not go tactical right away. So the first 10 minutes decide the deal outcome, much like the first 10 seconds of this video determine whether you're going to listen all the way to the end. I'm Cheryl Parks. I've been in B2B sales for over 30 years. For the first 25, I sold over $25 million to Fortune 1000 companies. And then after that, I started coaching and consulting with service providers like coaches and consultants to help them sell multi-millions. So if you want to learn more, hit subscribe, hit the notification, leave me a comment. Tell me what you're seeing and feeling out there. Are you winning? And if you're winning, leave a tip for somebody that's not winning their deals. And if you're losing deals, ask a question to those that are winning their deals. Okay. All right. I'll see you soon. If you want more information, you can go to the description and there'll be lots of ways to be in touch. Okay. Take care. Thanks for watching.